So we just got back from Mayenne and you've picked up
another flower because the original one that didn't dry, I tried some different paint on and it did dry after a lot of scrubbing. So very carefully, just tickling around the edges. As long as Adrian doesn't rock the table, I'll be fine.
I never rocked the table.
I've got a very steady hand. When I was a teenager, we're talking a long time ago.
Centuries.
You're funny. I used to paint little miniature houses for David Winter. They were called David Winter cottages, and they were about this. They ranged from this big up to this big, and I used to do fairy tale castles, which were covered in beams and all sorts. So that's where I get my steady hand from.
Bet you never painted any small chateaus, though, did you?
A castle is a chateau.
Yeah. Did you do castles? Sorry, I missed that.
Fairy tale castle.
Oh, is that what we've got?
I wouldn't call it that somehow.
Okay.
So just very carefully, come closer. Very steady hand, very quiet.
You have a very steady hand. Can I ask?
Yes.
Without being thick, will you foil it as well? Is that the reason you're doing that? Or will you actually just leave that with the...
The size for the gold leaf didn't dry, which is why I tried something different. And this is just acrylic paint that I had lying around in the cupboard like I do.
Like you do.
That happens to be the right colour.
Okay. Now we all know. So onwards and upwards with the details around the fireplace. Although, did you say you need some more would you bend?
Yes, I do.
Why are you looking at me like that?
Because you're full of snide remarks.
I thought that's what the company is called. Very nice. Yes. And that paint is drying on it.
Well, I'm not going to stick my finger in it just yet, am I?
No, you tried one earlier, didn't you?
Blue Peter style.
Yes. We're working our way down now.
We are very slowly, yes.
Okay.
But I'd started putting the colour on the panels, and I thought I was going to be doing the picture now the same colour. But if you look over there, you can clearly tell, we may not be able to on camera, that the cream doesn't really look good on the picture there. So I'm going around again and doing, I haven't done all of it, I'm going around and doing it white. Bright white. So it brings the ceiling
Down.
well, yeah, I think it looks better that way.
Right. Just the picture out.
Just the picture out, and then under that, the panelling will be the off-white again. What do you think?
Looks good. It's one of those things you can't really tell till finished. But over in that corner where you just said, all the way around.
Hence why I've been moving things around into the middle.
Okay. Well, I'm going to carry on with the door locks because the bars, and then we can get those over to the shop blasters.
And I've finished.
Sandblaster.
I've finished spraying the latches for those doors.
Which are where?
On top of the fireplace.
So they're good to go back on then?
Not until I painted down there.
Yeah, they can be done later on tonight. Whilst we're roasting our chestnuts.
They were quite grippy when I first put them on. They seem pretty stiff actually. Be very careful of taking this tape off because it wasn't low tack and I needed it to hold. Hey! That's stiff, that's on there. Oh, that was come undone anyway already. Unstuck. I'm happy that I persevered with them. And now we can move on to bits that go here. I need to order some more of those appliques from Woodgie bands. And get those stuck on. But yeah, good job done. Closer up for you. As you can see, they are stuck, they are up there. Pleased with them. We've come over to the side of the cont in search for the crystals that I thought I'd seen previously on our travels. But the ladies sifted through them all. And I'm not sure if we're going to find them. There's this huge basket here, but they're all round. And obviously all ours are flat and large. I did think about buying a complete chandelier and just taking it apart. But again, they generally seem to be round and not flat, and we can't mix them. I think she's got a couple more baskets that she's sifting through, so I'll go and have a look. We're also looking for the log basket while we're here, but this one isn't quite big enough.
I found something.
What did you find?
Nice pair of jugs.
Oh, you're hilarious, aren't you?
Not my type. Send them to Kirk. He'll like them.
So far today we have not been very successful. We've come out searching for a doorknob, which we
not
haven't
large enough.
got. A rug from my mother, which we haven't got. Keep going, darling.
I thought I saw something, but no.
The fire basket, which we can't find big enough, and crystals. There's more crystals in here. I love rummaging around this barn.
It smells good. They've got all the Yankee candles burning.
See, that one's got flat ones, but they're not quite the right shape. How much is that? Oh, 99 euros.
Oops.
There seem to be all different shapes on that one. Couple of baskets over here.
The trouble is, you might find one, won't you? But just one. Well, we need 101.
Yeah, there's no chance of finding
Not a set.
the set in there.
No.
And these ones are all round again. Which is
Not going to work.
a terrible shame.
No, not so. We'll have to move on to the next one.
See, this is what we need. There's one. There's one like that. And these handles are not big enough for the front door. We were very kindly given some money towards the doorknob last week on the premiere. So we are determined we will find one. But for now, that's the end of today's search. Back home to do some work.
No, I found one more bacont we could maybe go and try. We might as well if we're over this way. This one's actually in the middle of nowhere.
It is. So thank you very much to the lady who owns the side of Bacont.
Yes.
We will be back another day. We're here in Banos and we're meeting Terry and Ash here very shortly for this salon antique. We're hoping to find some bargains. People are already coming out already, so I think we should hurry up and get in there.
Let's do that now
See
then.
what we can find before Terry gets here.
Where are we?
We're in Banos.
This is looking expensive in here.
Bagnall.
Yeah. If you're northern.
Yeah, northern. Looks a bit too expensive for us.
It looks very expensive, doesn't
But we've
it?
got Terry's wallet with us.
Yeah, I'm just going to pan around at the first thing you see. Maybe we'll have a butch round and anything we see of flavour we'll video.
We can get an idea.
Yeah, exactly.
And then we know drink and go to the pub. We can dream.
Let's crack on.
To stand in front of it, perfect store.
It's the only time we see me overnight.
Carol, this one works. That is so cool.
He's told you it's functional.
It
That's what
is.
they told me about
Yeah.
ours. It's functional.
They are.
Stand with that.
Oh, look at you two with your little doll's house.
And the same price as we paid for our full-size one.
Yeah. And apparently he said, I've asked him, he'll deliver it for free. So much stuff here. Incredible. These two are in their element. I don't think they'll look very good in a chateau. It's just lots and lots and lots of stalls. This is quite good actually. These telephones I'll bring you around to. Back in the day. Just the light, you're holding that to here.
Can you imagine how many people have actually held this?
Yeah, right. Actually, I think I prefer the ones.
So that's
They're really heavy, some of these bits. Some interesting finds in here. Tracy needs a new wheelbarrow at the chateau. There we go. I found something for Tracy. New wheelbarrow.
no, let Terry record.
He's going to record
Let him
that.
record it,
Oh
go on.
dear. I'm actually going to record something over here actually. Look at the detail. I mean, great. This is incredible. Carol doesn't like it because there's no gold on it. If I come around, you can see. Wow. That's a serious labour of love on there. But unfortunately, way out of my price bracket. Oh, let's see. It's très joli.
Unfortunately, that was more of an antiques roadshow for me, way out of our price league.
More for inspiration, I think.
There were some beautiful pieces,
Yeah, there were some beautiful, beautiful pieces, but just way out of our price range.
definitely. Yeah.
So I think we're going to go and get a coffee and maybe go to some brocants more in our price range.
Ones that have another zero taken off.
Two.
Or two, yeah.
I told you it was going to be a long day with Terry.
Love it.
Even though there's a few things there that we might have bought, and then they told us the price. So there was some good stuff there.
It just wasn't meant to be.
No, that dresser that I seen was
Yes.
amazing.
Yeah.
But 2,200 was...
But they'd have thrown in the matching lamps.
He wouldn't have threw them in. Definitely not. Definitely not.
And you did deliver them for free for 2,200.
Surprised you didn't get your little stove though.
Oh, the little toy one. It's functional. Ash could have put his coffee pot on there.
That was awesome.
I don't know if you'd fit a pot on it, maybe just a little cup.
Yeah. Tea for one.
Yeah.
So we're going to find somewhere else, aren't we? And see if we can find something
some
to buy.
bargains.
Although you did buy something.
Oh yeah.
You did buy something.
Well, I just got a coffee
Yeah. That was €45.
and I got a picture
print.
of Chateau near us, so Chateau de Gare. Right, we'll go and get a drink then.
Yeah. Let's go and see
Moving on.
the rest of Banos.
Yep.